When you book a cruise, it can seem like almost everything is included. You pay for your cabin, step on board, and suddenly you have access to restaurants, entertainment, pools, activities, and some incredible destinations. But once you start planning your trip, you may realize that not everything comes with the price of your cruise. Some things are included in your fare, while others can come with an additional charge. And depending on the cruise line, the ship, and the type of fare you book, what is included can vary. So, what do you actually get when you book a cruise? In this video, we are breaking down what is usually included, what may cost extra, and what you should know before you step on board. Let's get into it. 1. Your cruise cabin. The first thing included in your cruise fare is, of course, your accommodation. Your cabin becomes your home for the duration of the trip. Whether you choose an inside cabin, an ocean view room, a balcony, or a suite, the type of room you book will affect how much you pay. Most cabins include the basics you need for your stay, such as a bed, bathroom, towels, storage space, and regular housekeeping. However, this is where it's important to pay attention to exactly what you're booking. A cruise may advertise a low starting price, but upgrading to a larger room, or a cabin with a balcony can significantly increase the total cost. So while your accommodation is included, the experience you get depends on the cabin category you choose. 2. Food and dining. One of the biggest advantages of cruising is that a large portion of your meals is usually included in your fare. Most cruise ships offer a main dining room, casual buffet options, and other complimentary dining venues. This means you can generally enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner without paying for every individual meal. And for many people, that is one of the best parts of a cruise. You can enjoy a variety of meals without constantly thinking about the bill. But there is a catch. Many cruise ships also offer specialty restaurants. These may include steakhouses, seafood restaurants, fine dining experiences, or other themed restaurants. These often require an additional fee or reservation. So, yes, food is generally included, but not necessarily every restaurant on the ship. 3. Entertainment and shows. Another major part of the cruise experience is entertainment. Depending on the ship, your cruise may include live music, theater shows, comedy performances, parties, game shows, and other evening entertainment. Many of these experiences are included in your cruise fare, which means you can enjoy a full evening of entertainment without purchasing a separate ticket. Some ships also offer spectacular productions that can become one of the highlights of the trip. However, certain premium experiences, special events, or attractions may come with an additional charge. The best thing to do is check your cruise line's app or daily schedule once you're on board, so you know exactly which activities are included. 4. Pools, decks and basic activities. For many people, this is what comes to mind when they imagine a cruise vacation. Relaxing by the pool. Sitting on the deck with an ocean view. Exploring the ship. Watching the sunset. Most ships include access to their main pool areas, sun decks, and a variety of basic onboard activities. Depending on the ship, you may also find activities such as trivia, games, dance classes, live music, sports courts, and family activities. Some ships take things even further with attractions like water parks, slides, climbing walls, or other exciting experiences. But again, not every attraction is necessarily included on every ship. Some premium activities may require an extra fee, so it is always worth checking before making plans. 5. What about drinks? This is where many first-time cruisers get confused. While some basic beverages may be included, alcoholic drinks, specialty coffees, sodas, bottled water, and premium beverages often cost extra unless they are included as part of your cruise package. Drink packages are available on many cruise lines, but whether they are worth the cost depends on how much you realistically plan to drink. Before purchasing one, take a moment to look at the price and consider your habits. Sometimes a package can offer good value. Other times, paying for individual drinks may make more sense. The important thing is not to assume that every drink you see on board is automatically included. 6. Wi-Fi and Internet. Another thing that can surprise travelers is the cost of staying connected. Wi-Fi is often available on cruise ships, but it may not be included in the basic cruise fare. Internet packages can vary depending on the cruise line and the level of access you choose. And while cruise ship internet has improved over the years, the experience may still be different from the connection you are used to at home. So before you travel, think about whether you actually need to stay connected throughout the entire trip. If you only need internet occasionally, you may prefer to disconnect and enjoy the experience, or use Wi-Fi when you are in port, where appropriate and available. 7. Shore excursions. Your cruise fare gets you to the destinations on your itinerary, but it usually does not mean that every activity once you arrive is included. Shore excursions can include sightseeing tours, beach trips, cultural experiences, snorkeling, adventure activities, and much more. These experiences can be booked through the cruise line or, in some cases, through independent providers, but they generally come at an additional cost. The good news is that you are not always required to book an excursion. Depending on the destination, you may simply choose to explore on your own, visit a local beach, walk around the port area, or enjoy the ship while many other passengers are ashore. Your experience and your budget can be very different depending on the choices you make. 8. Specialty experiences and extras. This is where those extra costs can start adding up. Spa treatments, salon services, casino spending, specialty restaurants, premium activities, shopping, professional photos, and certain onboard experiences may all cost extra. None of this means that cruising has to be expensive. The key is simply knowing what is included before you go. You can have an amazing cruise without purchasing every upgrade or extra experience available on board. Setting a budget before your trip can help you decide what is truly worth spending money on and what you are happy to skip. What should you expect to be included? So, when you book a cruise, you can generally expect your fare to cover the basics of your vacation. Your accommodation, many of your meals, a variety of entertainment options, access to major public areas, pools, and a range of onboard activities are often part of the experience. But drinks, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, excursions, spa treatments, premium activities, and other extras may increase your total cost. That is why the advertised cruise price should be seen as the starting point, not necessarily the final amount you will spend. The good news is that you have a lot of control over your budget. You can choose to keep things simple and enjoy what is already included, or spend extra on the experiences that matter most to you. At the end of the day, a cruise can offer a lot of value, especially when you understand exactly what you are paying for. The key is to do a little research before booking, check what is included with your specific cruise, and plan ahead for any extras you may want. That way, there are fewer surprises and you can focus more on enjoying your vacation. What cruise expense surprised you the most? Or, if you have been on a cruise before, what was your favorite thing that was included? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cruise and travel content. See you in the next video.